part of, I think, building that, for me anyway, building that trust is telling them the sky's blue again, right? And so I think, how can we help, guide, I guess would be the better word than build trust, right? Because when you're dealing with this uncertainty and you're in, that's the overwhelming premise that my friends, when they come to me and talk to me about what's going on in the world, the uncertainty, it's like, well, can they really do that? And I'm like, well, okay, can they do it legally or can they do it?
Right,
There's
right.
very, very, very big difference between those two things. Important to help educate them what is and what can be, right? Because they're when trust, it's always, it always blows my mind how much it's like we can see that the sky is blue and we have people telling us the sky's red. And part of, I think, building that, for me anyway, building that trust is telling them the sky's blue again, right? Telling them the law, telling them based on, okay, currently the Constitution says this, right? And even admitting when we're wrong, right? Because we're not perfect. We make mistakes. That's just how it is. I mean, I remember in law school sitting there going, I don't like this decision, but I can respect the court because they got there and it was logical and rational and I understood it. But now we have this situation where it's really hard to respect decisions when they're using their outcome determinative or pretzel logic to get there. And I think part of, for me anyway, building that trust back up is not that it's my responsibility, but more like, as someone who is concerned, I want to give them the hope that says that it won't always be like this. We won't always have people that are putting party over country or party over law. We'll have people that are like, no, I disagree, but the law says this. I've got the rational that goes with that. So you don't just diagnose the problems in lawless. You also sound the alarm.